Hi everyone. Um, we're starting the live show right away, so I'll be waiting for everyone to join me. So please make sure you read the description of this video so that we can all be on the same page while I'm streaming for everyone to today that will be joining this show. So today's topic will be about the uniqueness of leveraged ETF over sports and futures trading. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Patrick. I am the founder of Industry community, and today we are going to learn about leveraged ETF, why we should trade it, what makes it unique compared to sports and futures market. So let me see how many people have joined our live stream so far. So we will have more people joining us very soon. So let's give it a little bit of time for more users to join us. So 5 minutes into the hour, I'm going to start what I have for today so that everyone okay, we're 3 minutes into the hour. While waiting for users to join, if you are a new user that is just joining us, make sure you click on the registration link on the description below to register on MEXC so that if you are opportune to be among the winners of the giveaway, which will be happening today, you are going to share in the reward pool and you can use any of those ETF tokens that will be distributed to you to trade on MEXC. And just to let you know, some of the important note is that for users who participate in this live broadcast, each of you can get 5 USDT worth of ETF positions, and you can trade it on MEXC Leveraged ETFs page. And for users who interact with me today or ask questions or bring up questions on the live chat section, each of you can get 10 USDT worth of ETF positions so that you can trade it on the MEXC Leveraged ETF page. So new users should try and sign up because there is a new user gift. I think I should show you guys that this is the new user gift. MEXC.com/leverage ETF legends. So if you go to this page, you see there is a new user gift where users can the first 10 person to participate in this event is going to have a really reward of 50 units per person. First 50, I think those positions have already been taken because this announcement has been out there for a while. But 5 units of USDT is still gonna be available for some people, and that will still be useful, especially on the markets like ETF where the profit is actually very cool for traders. So if you are not among the first 100, you still have an opportunity to be among the first 1,000 users to sign up with my affiliate link on the description and be among those to share in 5 units of USDT. So, and make sure you also enter the ETF trading portal and try to match up your trading volume so that you be among those guys that will be in the first 10, first 50, first 100, and the first 1000. And this is determined by your volume. Your volume is based on the amount spent in buying and selling leverage ETF. So make sure you are generating some very high volume there, so that make sure the high volume you're generating is also putting you in profit and not in losses, so that you would be making at least 50 units per person. So we are 6 minutes into the live stream time, and this is supposed to last for about 1 hour, and I'm going to begin. So before we begin, we would like to discuss about some of the top cryptos in the market that is performing very, very well. I know a lot of you must know about Sweat Economy, where you can move to earn. Sweat launched September 13th, and since then they have had millions of users, or before the launch they had millions of users already, and a lot of people have been jumping into the crypto ecosystem due to Sweat. And of course the price of Sweat has gone down really bad since after launch, and maybe it's because we are in the bear market, and secondly due to their circulating and total supply, which is in billions. And Sweat is actually a very great project, and sometimes when your project is very cool and backed by and has a very strong backing, you may not really need supply. You may not really have to worry about supply, because users will jump in, buy, and all that is going to make the users who bought initially to make a lot of profit when the market is very bullish. So Sweatcoin is actually one of them, and Sweat is on Near chain. If you go through Near, you'll see that since Sweat joined them, their activity on Near is actually very, very booming now, and things are going well on Near. And also there are places you can view the top gainers of crypto, including MEXC, and some of the top gainers in crypto recently also include Dogecoin, which is performing really well since Elon Musk acquired Twitter. Elon Musk is really causing a lot of problems and excitement, and also giving a lot of solutions in the crypto market space. And to be honest, I was very happy when I heard Elon Musk acquired Twitter, and I know there will be a lot of drama afterwards, and aside the drama, there will be a lot of profit for investors based on the move that Elon Musk is going to make with Twitter. So I was expecting some cool things to happen, but I wasn't expecting him to go around firing some of the executives at Twitter. But it might be right, and I don't know what you think about Elon Musk firing executives at Twitter, including even the CEO. It might be right, but from the point of view, I don't think the CEO and some of the executives at Twitter actually really believed in the vision of Elon Musk and what he intended to do at Twitter after acquiring it. So he decides to just drop off most of the executives who are making very serious decisions or influencing most of the things, and work with people who believe in his vision. Some speculations are out from crypto enthusiasts saying he's gonna hire some crypto guys to fill into that position. Crypto is not fully legal, especially in some countries like China and some other countries, like a lot of them on the list that do not approve crypto fully, and Twitter is being used in all these countries. So if Elon Musk wants to bring crypto to be like a crypto ecosystem, he's really going to face a lot of problems with some of the government bureaucrats and policies that are out there for him. So that is just by the side. And you can also look at Zen. Zen is another cryptocurrency that is doing well on the ecosystem. It's on Binance Smart Chain. I think it's also on Binance Smart Chain. It's on Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, and Doge Chain. It's also on Doge Chain, and it's doing really well. And on my list here, the next one is Osmo. Osmo is on MEXC. So if you want to buy Osmo tokens, you can go to MEXC, sign up with the affiliate link on the description, and when you sign up, you can deposit your USDT or buy with your bank card. It is available, I think it's right here. when you deposit, you can buy crypto by just clicking this button here. You can buy crypto with bank transfer. There are different options there. Even there's no P2P trading for you if you don't want to go through bank stress and stuff like that. So you can buy crypto with this and it will come into your wallet, which is over here. When you have your crypto in your wallet, you can take any action you want to take, and depending on which wallet it is, you can transfer. Let me take an overview at my own wallet. Please close your eyes, don't look at my wallet. So when you are over here at your wallet, you see the amount of tokens which you have, and I think this is like the total value of my wallet, and you can transfer, because normally when you deposit on MEXC, it comes to your spot account, unlike some of the exchange, but here it comes directly to your spot account and you can use that to trade immediately. But if you want to move it to others, you can move it to futures accounts, your fiat accounts, where you can use to do your P2P, or your margin accounts where you can use to do borrowing or lending. And if you observe, there is no way to transfer to ETF. ETF is quite unique because you can just trade directly from your spot balance, and this is cool. And one thing you should know, forget about the topic which I'm using for this live stream. ETF is not against spot trading, but it's quite unique compared to spot trading, and I'm going to discuss that right into the live show. So when you sign up, you should be able to deposit USDT or any other cryptocurrency which you wish to deposit that is available on MEXC. And MEXC is such a cool exchange which has a lots of cryptocurrencies for you to get from anywhere you want to get, from your wallet, from decentralized exchanges, or wherever you can acquire some of this crypto, and you can deposit them here from ICO, IDO, wherever you can get your crypto. We know where we buy our cryptos from. So when you deposit it here, you can trade it and to USDT, and with USDT you would be able to use and trade ETF, leverage ETF. So this is some of my holdings. It's not like a financial advice. I'm looking into move to end ecosystem, which you can see I'm holding some stopwatch, and also some of the sweat tokens that I was talking about. I bought sweat when it was 0.05. Although I didn't do any analysis, I just FOMO. I just had a little bit of money and I decided to FOMO into sweat because the ecosystem is really moving hard, and it's a crypto which would do pretty well when it comes to the bullish market. They have community and they have the tech, and the only thing that is pulling them right now in terms of price is their supply, which is something they have to worry about. And of course, when there's utility, price is not really going to be a problem, and I believe in that. Some speculators have also said it's possible for sweat to reach $1 to $3 in the next bullish cycle, and I so much believe in that. So imagine one sweat to $3, and I'm holding 20,000 sweat. It's gonna be really cool, and I don't want to miss out of that. So the one I did analysis before buying is actually Reef. These are all spot trades, and I'm going to show you some of my ETF trades. So Reef I bought based on the fundamentals, and also they will be launching Reef Card, Reef Chain, and NFT marketplaces. A lot of things will be launching on the Reef ecosystem, which a lot of people wouldn't want to miss out. So I'm planning to hold at least 200k worth of Reef, and Reef is another coin that also have supply problems. And like I said initially, supply will not be your problem if you are building utility, and that is what these guys are doing. Sweatcoin is building a lot of utility when it comes to their stake jars. Reef is building utility for their chain, and all they need to do is acquire users who are going to use these products that they'll be launching. The same goes with another move to end project, Stepwatch, and so on. Telos, layer 1 blockchain, and this is one of my positions on these two are my positions on ETF. This is the one I recently acquired today, and it's very cool to hold ETF tokens because it will help you magnify your profit compared to how spots will have given you profit, and it will also help you hold a certain amount of tokens, and you wouldn't tend to miss out. And don't worry, although it combines leverage and derivative products, you are not going to be liquidated, so don't worry about that. But there is something close, similar to stop loss here, but you will not be liquidated in this one. Compared to futures, futures is quite risky, high leverage, and it could easily get liquidated. But on our leveraged ETF, low leverage, and there are no chances of getting liquidated. So we haven't moved into the comparison yet. So let's move into the next topic for today. I was still discussing some of the cryptos that are doing well in the market. If you check MEXC, you'll see a lot of crypto. MEXC is one of them, and I am going to send a link for new users on the chat so that people who haven't signed up on MEXC yet can sign up here with the link that I'll drop. So this is the chat. If you are connected, you can just say hi. Yeah. I see a lot of you are very excited today. So if you haven't signed up on MEXC, please check the description of this video to sign up. And I'm trying to get the link so that I can share to everyone. Let me get my link. So if you have questions about MEXC ETF, you are very free to drop them in the live chat, and you can also drop some of your questions inside the MEXC ETF community, just in case I am not available to answer all the questions today. So when you open MEXC, assuming you are using your PC to do this, let's assume you are using PC, because the mobile view is quite different from the desktop view. But on the mobile view, you have your menu, which is shown here down on the footer, so you don't get confused, because I know some of my viewers are using mobile, and please don't get confused. So when you come here, you are going to see, when you click on market, because that's the point you need to click if you want to start trading ETF, click on market, and when you click on market, you see varieties of options on the spot market, which you can also trade and you earn profits. There is no problem with that. But you have to also look into ETF, which is quite interesting. We have the margin, which is about borrowing a certain amount of token based on the index price, and we also have the futures, which is very risky, and it's also profitable. They are the risks, they are the profits, they are high profits here, but your chances of losing your money is very high in futures compared to ETF. Now ETF, now you see that all the products here has a maximum leverage of 5x. If you go through all the pages, let me see, I think we have from page 1 down to 36. That's a whole lot of tokens here on MEXC ETF. So most of them has 3x, 2x, I think I've seen 5x on mobile view. So we can just search for that. Let me see if we can see one. BTC on ETF. When you're searching for the token, you select which market you want to go for. So this is BTC 3L, 3S, 4L, 4S, 4L, 5L, 5S, 2S, and 2L. So what does all this mean? This means BTC here represents the BTC assets, the asset itself, and 3 is the leverage position, which means depending on the price movement that you choose, because if you choose L, you're predicting that the price movement is gonna go up. Depending on if the price movement is on the, if you're predicting on the upward price movement, you're going to go on 3L. So if the price is going up and you were on BTC 3L, you are going to earn 3 times the profit, the ROI that you're supposed to earn if BTC is moving 1x. So if you're trading on sports market and BTC is moving 1x, but you decided to trade a BTC 5L on ETF, that's gonna help make you gain 5x of the reward or the ROI based on the direction of the market. And L is the direction which you choose. S is also the direction which you choose. If you choose L, you're choosing the upward direction, and if you choose S, you're choosing the downward direction. So that's it. If you want to trade ETF, make sure you sign up. I'm going to get my my sign up link and test how to sign up on MEXC for everyone. If you are just joining us, just say hi. If you are joining us, say hi. And at the end of the show, those of you who interact with me during the show, I'm going to drop some of you with 5 USDT worth of ETF. So when you are on the ETF market, when you have signed up on MEXC, make sure you hover around ETF. You see some of the giveaway for new users. You can see this trade for new users. There's something very exciting for you. That means if you signed up this month or last month, you're among the new users, or somebody who hasn't completed any trade before on MEXC. There is an event for you here where you can trade 100 USDT worth of ETF to get 50 USDT. Trade at least 100 USDT, which is the MEXC ETF legend. You have to trade at least 100 USDT to qualify to be among those that can win 50, or if you're among the first 50, 20, first 100,